Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends and thanks for watching our videos continuously and for your support. I am happy that my videos are helping a lot of students in their projects. Let's watch today's video. In this video, we are going to see how to create an automatic door opening system using IR sensor. Let's watch the video.
The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, IR sensor, servo motor, connecting wires and connecting cable. First, let's connect the IR sensor with the Arduino board. The IR sensor has 3 pins, out, ground and VCC. Connect VCC to 5 volt and ground to ground in the Arduino board and the out pin to pin number 4 in the Arduino board. Now we connected the IR sensor with the Arduino board. Now we need to connect the servo motor with the Arduino board. The servo motor has 3 wires. The first one is the brown, which is the ground pin, and the red color wire is the VCC, which we need to connect with the 5 volt in the Arduino board, and the yellow color wire is the output pin, which we need to connect with pin number 5 in the Arduino board. This is our circuit connection.
Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop and upload the program. Before upload the program, go to Tools and select the board. And then select the port. Then click the right arrow button and upload the program. The program is uploaded now and we can check the output.
This is our IR sensor. So if the IR sensor detects the object, the servo motor will turn and the door will open. And it will close after 3 seconds.
Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comments. Thank you.